Flagship features at a mid-range price? That's what the Vivo V50 5G promises. A stunning AMOLED display, powerhouse performance, and cameras that could rival premium phones. But does it truly deliver, or is it just hype? Let's unbox, test, and find out if this is the ultimate value for money smartphone. Opening the box, you're greeted with the Vivo V50 5G sitting right on top. Underneath, you'll find a clear protective case, a charging brick, a Type-C cable, and the usual paperwork. It's nice to see Vivo still including essentials like a charger, something many brands have started removing. The first thing you'll notice when holding the phone is how sleek and premium it feels. The smooth matte finish adds a touch of elegance, and the stylish camera module screams flagship vibes. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. The red and copper color combination is absolutely stunning, reflecting light beautifully. The buttons feel tactile, and the in-display fingerprint sensor is well placed. So far, the V50 5G is making a strong first impression. But is it just about looks, or does it deliver in real-world use? The Vivo V50 5G boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making everything feel extra smooth, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. The colors are rich with deep blacks and vibrant hues that truly bring content to life. Plus, the curved screen design adds a subtle premium touch without making the phone too slippery. Looking at the build, Vivo has nailed the aesthetics. The phone feels slim and comfortable in hand, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. On the right side, you'll find the volume rocker and power button, both clicky and well placed. The bottom houses a USB-C port, speaker grill, and SIM tray. Unfortunately, there's no headphone jack, which might be disappointing for wired audio lovers. Despite that, the overall design screams elegance, and the display quality is easily one of its strongest features. This phone is made for media consumption. At the heart of the Vivo V50 5G is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. This combo ensures buttery smooth performance whether you're multitasking, streaming, or gaming. Switching between apps is fast and lag-free, making everyday use a breeze. For gaming, this phone delivers. I tested Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile on high settings, and the experience was impressive. Sharp graphics, minimal frame drops, and smooth gameplay. The advanced cooling system also helps keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. On the software side, it runs on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14. It's feature-packed, offering tons of customization options and smooth animations. However, there's some pre-installation bloatware, which might be annoying for some users. Thankfully, most of it can be uninstalled, keeping the experience clean and efficient. Now let's talk cameras. The Vivo V50 5G packs a triple camera setup with 50MP Zeiss sensors on both front and rear. Whether you're capturing landscapes or snapping selfies, the results are crisp, detailed, and perfect for social media. Portrait mode is a standout, delivering a beautiful bokeh effect that mimics professional DSLR shots. You can even switch between different Zeiss portrait styles like natural, vivid, and cinematic to enhance your photos. Video recording is another highlight. You can shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second on both the front and rear cameras, making this phone a solid choice for vloggers and content creators. Plus, the built-in teleprompter feature is a game-changer. It helps you deliver scripts smoothly without needing an external app. Whether it's photography or videography, the Vivo V50 5G truly delivers in the camera department. The Vivo V50 5G doesn't just have great cameras. It's packed with features that take mobile photography to the next level. One standout is Supermoon mode, which enhances lunar shots with stunning clarity. If you love astrophotography, there's a dedicated astrophotography mode to capture breathtaking night skies. For professionals, Pro Mode with RAW support gives full manual control over settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. Dual View Mode is perfect for vloggers, allowing you to record from both the front and rear cameras simultaneously. Low light photography gets a boost with the Aura lighting feature, which enhances night shots without overexposing details. And if you enjoy making creative videos, Micro Movie Mode helps you create short, cinematic clips with built-in filters and transitions. Clearly, the Vivo V50 5G is designed with the content creator in mind, making it a versatile choice for mobile photography and videography. The Vivo V50 5G comes with dual 5G support, ensuring fast and stable network speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. It also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, making it future-proof for connectivity. Call quality is excellent, with AI noise cancellation ensuring clear conversations, even in noisy environments. As for audio, the phone has stereo speakers that deliver loud and clear sound with decent bass. While it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, Vivo compensates with high-resolution audio support via Bluetooth. If you're using wireless earbuds, you'll appreciate the LDAC and aptX codecs, which enhance audio quality. However, for audiophiles who still prefer wired headphones, the omission of a headphone jack might be a drawback. Overall, the V50 5G offers a well-rounded connectivity experience, making it a great choice for those who need fast internet, clear calls, and immersive sound. Gaming on the Vivo V50 5G is a smooth experience thanks to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and Adreno GPU. Whether you're playing Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, or Genshin Impact, the phone maintains high frame rates with minimal stuttering. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate makes animations feel fluid, enhancing your overall gaming experience. To keep things cool during long gaming sessions, the phone features a vapor chamber cooling system, reducing overheating and throttling. The Ultra Game mode boosts performance by optimizing RAM usage and blocking notifications for an uninterrupted experience. Battery life is also impressive. 6,000 milliamperes ensures hours of gameplay, and if you run low, the 80W fast charging gets you back in action quickly. If you're a gamer looking for smooth performance, great display, and solid battery life, the Vivo V50 5G is a fantastic choice. Battery life is a major highlight of the Vivo V50 5G. It packs a massive 6,000 milliampere battery, which easily lasts over a day with moderate use. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or scrolling through social media, you won't be reaching for the charger too often. Even with heavy use, the phone holds up impressively well. When it's time to recharge, 80W fast charging ensures you're never stuck waiting. You can go from 0 to 50% in just about 20 minutes, which is a lifesaver for people always on the move. While there's no wireless charging, the wired charging speed more than makes up for it. Power efficiency is also optimized thanks to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and Vivo software optimizations ensuring longer battery life without unnecessary drain. If you need a phone that keeps up with your busy lifestyle, the Vivo V50 5G won't disappoint. The Vivo V50 5G shines with its gorgeous AMOLED display featuring a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers and binge watchers alike. Under the hood, the powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor delivers seamless performance, whether you're multitasking or gaming. Photography enthusiasts will love the 50MP Zeiss cameras, capable of shooting crisp 4K videos on both front and rear, plus the massive 6,000 milliampere battery with fast charging keeps you powered all day long. Content creators will also appreciate the abundance of creative camera features for capturing stunning shots and videos. However, it's not all perfect. The Vivo V50 5G lacks a headphone jack, which might be a letdown for wired audio lovers. You'll also encounter some pre-installed bloatware, which can be a nuisance until removed. Lastly, the phone misses out on an official IP rating, meaning it's best to keep it away from water hazards. So, is the Vivo V50 5G worth your money? Honestly, I believe this phone gives serious competition to pricier flagships. With its stunning design, powerful cameras, and long-lasting battery, it delivers a premium experience at a mid-range price. But what do you think? Would you pick this over the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech videos, and ring the bell to stay updated. Till next time, stay awesome.